Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wondered how to jumpstart your Figma projects with the power of AI, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to guide you step by step on how to generate beautiful Figma designs using a really smart Builder.io plugin. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to take an idea for a website and turn it into a Figma design in minutes, even if you're not a design pro. Let's dive right in. So for this demonstration, I already have a simple shop-style layout in my Figma file, which I actually generated with Builder.io. If you're starting fresh, don't worry, I'll walk you through the process from scratch. Start by looking at the bottom center of your Figma window, where you'll find the Actions button. Sometimes it blends in if you've got a busy interface, so just take a moment to spot it. Click on Actions and then navigate to Plugin and Widgets. This is basically Figma's way of supercharging your workspace with extra features, or in this case, a bit of AI magic. In the plugin search bar, start typing in Builder.io. If you haven't used it before, this is an incredibly helpful tool for both designers and non-designers alike, because it lets AI handle the heavy lifting of early design work. Once you see Builder.io pop up, go ahead and open it. Now, depending on your setup, you might get prompted to log into your Builder.io account. Don't worry if you're new, signing up is fast and straightforward. I'm already logged in, so I can jump straight in, but you'll want to make sure you complete that login step before moving on. With Builder.io opened up right inside Figma, look for the option labeled Design with AI. This is where the real fun begins. Click into Design with AI, and you should see a chat box or a prompt asking for your design request. Essentially, you're going to tell the AI what kind of website or page you want to create. For example, you could type something like, I want a modern online shoe shop homepage or a minimalist portfolio site for a photographer. The more details you provide, the better the AI can tailor the design to your vision. It's a bit like having your own digital designer on standby. Go ahead and type in your request in the chat box. Now, here's a tip. The AI needs a little time to process your input and generate the design. It might take anywhere from a few seconds to a couple of minutes, depending on how complex your request is. So this is a good spot to take a deep breath or jot down any specific ideas you want to add once your design pops up. Don't worry if the process feels slow, it's just the AI laying all the groundwork for you. Once the AI's done, you'll see a preview of the generated website design. Take a moment to look it over. Usually these designs are impressively comprehensive, but remember, you can always tweak the details later inside Figma. When you're happy with the design, look for the Import to Figma button. Clicking this brings the AI-generated layout straight into your Figma workspace, ready for you to customize, prototype, or share with your team. And just like that, you've used AI to create a unique Figma design. It's a game changer for speeding up your workflow, getting past creative blocks, or building drafts that you can refine further. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. And if you have any questions or want to share your own AI-generated Figma designs, drop a comment below. And make sure to subscribe for more tutorials like this, so you're always on top of the latest design tools and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.